Batisi TV, lawan Rashipi daka Frank Yamaha, the Maxi Sports Scooter Arox 155. Ringkat baganet foodish, ordar mapi, ninwan ramani, hakir dobyeng jompi.
Uba Pynshngaiñ and Syiem, ubalong mentau MDC jangka mau khar Pynthorumkhrah constituency, bad ukertong jangka seng Congress. Ulakop un job bet yak election na Pynthorumkhrah constituency ke Salong haka art penyau terik urempang arajar pulai. Haka jinga keren bagi lapat hai kubor ba Pynshngaiñ and Syiem. Ubala long teng UMLA berim jangka mau senram constituency but chief executive member berim jangka Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council. Ula ong ba don jing ban job yak election haka ni kenti na Pynthorumkhrah constituency but haka juk kupor la ong ru ba ka jinga kun haka ni kenti kan long ka bajwat. Haka ba umnuat setiaban kensting da lele ru namar baka jingmi jongki kertong kum kitit.
See, in fact, election is election. There is not much difference. As of now, in Pynthorumkhrah, we have around 7 villages. 4 villages, they are already with Maukar Pynthorumkhrah MDC constituency. The other 2, they are with Morai and with Elekshon MDC constituency. Then I have no problem to convince the other villages also to support for me, because I am very much a neighbor with those villages which fall under my village, Lumsiap. At the same time, George, I think you understand that I stay in Lumsiap, the center of Pynthorumkhrah constituency. So I don't have any problem to address all the problems faced by other villages within the Pynthorumkhrah constituency. I had met with the villagers of Pynthorumkhrah. They have no single office for different blocks within Pynthorumkhrah. I remember when one of the blocks, Dongkadian, come and made me request to give some scheme for construction of their office for Dongkadian block. As the neighbor, I had helped them. Now, under my consideration, they have the office for Dongkadian. Not Dongkadian only, Lumsiap, one of the block in Nomasong village, which is not under Maukar Pynthorumkhrah, but through the not MDC scheme, department scheme of the state council, under the consideration of the Syiem, we have already constructed. So I think I have a very close relation with the other villages also which are not under the Maukar Pynthorumkhrah. So I have no problem to win this election. At the same time, as Bafredi told, Pynthorumkhrah is a mixed communities constituency where we have different communities, more or less same like Mausenram. So I have no problem to work for my people in Pynthorumkhrah. In Mausenram also, I think you know, we have many other communities, friends from different communities. So I'm happy to be a candidate from the Pynthorumkhrah, where many communities are available. I think you understand, any fight, it is a very difficult. Even the Chief Minister also, he faces a very difficult battle with the other candidates. I think I will remind you, Dr. Didilapang, when he fight against Pak Konstantin, late Pak Konstantin, he lost as the Chief Minister. So, George, I think you understand that I have no problem to fight with anyone. But I should be sincere, I should be serious. I need the love and confidence of my people from all communities in Pynthorumkhrah. It is not, every fight is very difficult. I think you understand. You cannot take it lightly. As of now, it seems that many candidates, they come up like mushroom in Pynthorumkhrah. I don't know what is the intention, but I think people will know better, because people are more smart than the candidates nowadays. So I have no problems. But he may have many alliances. I have many alliances. We can fight.